Good morning, class of 2023, and happy Unity Day. As you know, October is celebrated nationally as Bullying Prevention Month. Today, on October 30th, Southport is celebrating Unity Day. You may notice staff is wearing orange clothing or ribbons as orange is our color for bullying prevention. We stand united in promoting kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. We have some special activities planned for you this morning. I ask that you keep an open mind and engage in these activities and with your peers. We believe that you, the class of 2023, in the next 4 years will play a key role in promoting kindness, acceptance, and inclusion in our Southport High School community. I encourage you to make the most of today's activities. You can and will make a difference at SHS. The real question to think about is, will your difference be a positive contribution to our school community?